We arrived in the area on Sunday. We arrived at Henderson's lineup Monday morning. We really wanted to see Crater Lake, so we left our rig in the good care of the folks here and headed up to Crater Lake, and it was raining.
The voice of the customer.
I'm here with Mike and Linda, and Mike and Linda have a pretty unique story on their journey here. So you folks decided to get liquid spring installed on your coach. What made you make that decision?
Well, we're not really want to go up to a Class A to get the air ride, and it rides like a truck. And to do any distance traveling, we needed something a little softer. So we moved over to the Liquid Springs, and they were okay, but it wasn't quite what we needed. Phil, I ran into your dad out in Nebraska last year, and he said, I make some new sway bars that are heat-treated that work with the Liquid Spring.
So yeah, the sway bars I know were a big reason that you guys came here. What were some of the other things that we uncovered in looking at your coach?
Well, we found some broken body mounts, 6 to be exact, which stopped a lot of creaking and cracking. You were able to fix that for us. And from going through the seminars, I grew to know your dad and trust your dad. So we said, we're here, let's Henderson do it.
Well, I really appreciate that, and I know my dad, Robert, really appreciates hearing that too. He's really built a great legacy at this company, and I'm grateful to be able to carry that on. Yeah, so we did the front and rear sway bars on your coach. We, like you said, we fixed the broken body mounts, which quieted it down quite a bit. We did the adjustable drag link, which allowed us to straighten up your steering wheel,
Yep.
and then we also worked with the Safety Plus a bit to kind of fine-tune the response there, right?
Yep. It's even smoother now than it was with just the Liquid Springs on it. We're really happy with them. We're really happy with your service.
And I would just add one thing to what Michael has said. I call him Michael. And that is, Henderson's folks have exceeded every expectation we had. When Michael drove the rig the first time after the work was completed, he simply couldn't stop talking about how improved the ride is and how improved the steering is. And we're just very grateful that we came here, that the work was done, and we're going to head off now to see the redwoods and wish the folks here the very best in the future. You guys are terrific.
Thank you very much. You guys too. Thank you very much for joining us for this episode of Voice of the Customer in our wonderful Oregonian liquid sunshine. So until next time, we wish you safer and happier driving. Stay dry.